Once upon a time, in a rundown neighborhood called Willowbrook, a group of determined children decided to take matters into their own hands. The streets were filled with trash, buildings were abandoned, and the community felt neglected. But these young heroes saw potential where others saw despair. Led by Emma, a spirited 12-year-old, the children formed a team called the Street Heroes. Emma believed that by reclaiming their neighborhood, they could create a safe and fair environment for everyone. With a shared sense of purpose, they embarked on their mission of transformation. Their first challenge was the neglected park. It had become a dumping ground, and nobody felt safe playing there. The Street Heroes organized a community cleanup day. Armed with gloves, trash bags, and determination, they rallied their neighbors to join them. Soon, the park transformed from a desolate wasteland to a vibrant green space for everyone to enjoy. Emboldened by their success, the Street Heroes set their sights on a dilapidated building that was once a community center. They wanted to restore it to its former glory, a place where people could gather and share ideas. They painted murals on the walls, repaired broken windows, and convinced local artists to contribute their talents. Slowly but surely, the building became a hub of creativity and inspiration. But the Street Heroes didn't stop there. They noticed that some children in the neighborhood didn't have access to books or educational resources. They decided to create a makeshift library in an old bus that had been abandoned. With donated books and their own personal collections, they filled the bus with stories and knowledge, inviting everyone to read and learn together. As word of the Street Heroes' efforts spread, more and more people joined their cause. The neighborhood started to come alive with community events, street markets, and art festivals. Local authorities took notice of the positive changes and began investing in the area's infrastructure and safety measures. Through their collective actions, the Street Heroes demonstrated that even small acts of kindness and determination could create a ripple effect of change. They showed the power of unity, inspiring people from all walks of life to come together for the greater good. Years passed, and the neighborhood of Willowbrook transformed into a thriving community, a testament to the unwavering spirit and resilience of the Street Heroes. Emma and her team grew up to become advocates for social justice, continuing their efforts in other communities and inspiring a new generation of young heroes. And so, the story of the Street Heroes reminds us that by believing in the power of community, justice, and collective action, we can turn neglected streets into vibrant avenues of hope and opportunity.